What's up everybody, Mike here with Trail 7. Today I wanted to talk a little bit about who we are and what we do. Who is Trail 7? What does Trail 7 do for you? We are known for putting together plug and play bundles for your vehicles, curated plug and play bundles at that. We spend a lot of time R&Ding bundles, trying to figure out which part, which piece is going to be best to put together into an audio system for your vehicle. Take the example, a couple of things that we have here. A Sony plug and play radio. As you see, this is how you're gonna get it if you order one of our plug and play bundles. You're gonna receive it just like this. Everything is connected to it. The Maestro module is flash, so it retains your steering wheel controls. The dash kit is attached, so this simply slides right into your dash, super easy, plug and play. Looking down at a couple of other parts and pieces here, you know, if you buy a speaker bundle, a plug and play speaker bundle, this is gonna come fully prepped for your vehicle. The speakers in the pods, the speakers in the brackets, the connectors attached already for you. Everything is ready to go, plug and play with an installation video, etc. If you buy an amp bundle for your vehicle, this is gonna come with the amp, depending on which vehicle, etc. But this specific one here is gonna come with the amp already mounted to the board. It's gonna come with the module already attached. It's gonna come with the power, etc. And all of this is gonna be super plug and play. So this is what we're known for. Trail 7 is known for plug and play bundles for your vehicles with installation videos to walk you through and get you to the finish line of having a fully set up system. We have a support team ready to go to help you along the way. If you get stuck with anything, by all means, we're here for you. Now, I want to talk about something else. What we do for you is we also offer all of the parts and pieces individually. If you wanted to buy the Sony radio, but you didn't want our plug and play bundle for whatever reason, right? We have the Sony radio, we have the Maestro module, we have the connectors, we have all of the parts and pieces that you're gonna need yourself to put together what you have, we've already put together for you. But if you wanted to buy them individually, by all means, you can do that. So just to show a couple of the parts and pieces that are individual, the fuse bracket, the amp bracket, the wiring harness we have already to go off the shelf, out the door, packed modules, etc., the RCAs, etc. The power kit is all boxed up, ready to go. So if you wanted to buy those parts and pieces individually, you could do so. So let's take a walk. Let me show you something. If you wanted to put together a bundle of your own, say you didn't want one of our plug and play bundles put together, you wanted to curate your own bundle with your own parts, your own pieces, etc., we have everything available for you, right? Say if you wanted to put together, an Audison SR amplifier, right? And you wanted to add a Hertz DSP to that system, right? By all means, we have this available on the site individually for you to grab. If you have a Jeep and you want to put together, or any other vehicle, and you wanted the Alpine radio, the 509 radio, if you want to put that together, certainly. If you wanted to put together your sound system using an amplifier and a DSP, and you didn't want the Audison Primo speakers or Voce speakers that we're going to put in the bundle, and you wanted to say grab the pair of Alpine Status speakers, by all means, we have the Alpine Status speakers on the site for you to grab, for you to build the bundle that you would like in your vehicle versus one of the ones that we put together. We're available to help you out. We're available to put together the parts and pieces, make recommendations for you, and by all means, go to the site, grab what you want to, build the bundle of your choice. So don't be afraid to put together or have an idea that you want to put together a bundle and give us a call, and we'll help you put together something that's going to work for your vehicle if you don't see it on the site already in one of our plug and play bundles. So if you're interested in picking up a plug and play bundle for your vehicle, or if you need some help to put together a bundle for your vehicle, give us a call, reach out to us, check us out online, www.trail7.com. We'll see you out there.